Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of my body care, skincare, body care, hair care, declutter. So I reckon this should be the last part, maybe. Wait and see. But anyway, I've got all of my piles here. They're a little bit mixed up, but so yeah, we're just gonna go through these. I think we'll start with shower gels, maybe. Yeah, because I feel like there's a lot of those. So let's start with shower gels. Put everything else to the side for the time being. So these are all of the shower gels that I have at this point in time. So I'll just get them all out real quick. So I've got quite a few of the Body Shop ones here. So I think what I need to do is have a look at what Body Shop ones I got out of the calendar, because I can probably pass some of those along. Anyway, for now, let's just go through all of the ones that I have. This is Berry Berry Christmas, which I'm pretty sure I already have one of these, but it kind of looks like it's not out of date yet, but it's like got like solidified like oil all through it. I don't know if I should just chuck it out. Like, it's still good, but like it smells fine, but I don't know, it looks weird. Otherwise I'd probably put it in a giveaway because I've already got one of these, I think. If you mix it up, it's okay. Maybe it's just been sitting too long. Yeah, I feel like now it looks okay. Maybe it was just sitting too long. I don't know. Because it looks okay now. Oh, I don't know. Either way, I think that I'll get rid of it because I've already got one. So whether or not... It's still good. I think it just needs to be shook up, to be honest. Anyway, these are my Bath & Body Works ones. I've got coconut cream pie, and this one is smells so good. Yum. So keep her. I've got a vampire blood. Oh, honestly, all of the Bath & Body Works ones smell so incredible. We have Midnight Spell, and we've also got warm vanilla sugar. And then as for my new Bath & Body Works ones, I have strawberry pound cake, gingham, bourbon, strawberry and vanilla. So all of those can stay. Absolutely love Bath & Body Works shower gels. I've got these two from Hideaway. I have a pink candy and I've also got kiwi berry bang. I know I like pink candy. Yeah, that's really nice. And kiwi berry bang. Oh, that smells so good as well. Yum. Okay, both of those can stay. I have a big one of the Luigi and Lush shower gel. And I've also got a small one, but I think I got both of them because they just smell so good. It's such a good scent. I'll keep both of those. I've also got a... We have a Snow Fairy, we've got a Yognog, and a Mario. I wish I'd bring back the Mario one because that just smelled absolutely incredible. Like, it was so good. Okay, I've got a big British Rose and I kept a small British Rose, so I'm going to put the small one into a giveaway because this is the new one. I'm telling you that these smell different, which is such a shame. What's that? Let me smell this one. Yeah. Like, it's slight, but I feel like they do smell a bit different, so I don't know. Anyway, okay, the big one, I've got a coconut one. Did I keep the coconut one? No, I didn't. I kept Shea. Coconut shower cream. Smells so good, I'll keep her. I've got a mango, and I kept a mango, so I'll put the new mango into a giveaway. I've also got strawberry and almond milk. I've got a small almond milk. I think... I honestly have so many shower gels and I've already got an almond milk, so I think I'll put the big almond milk in a giveaway as well. And then I've got a strawberry, yum. And then I've also got this from Lush's Blood Orange. Oh, I don't like that. I don't think I'll ever use that. And I also went out to date last year, so I think I'm going to get rid of this one, Blood Orange from Lush. But what else do we have? We've got a P. Louise one. This is the Shimmer Body Wash. So nice. Keep her. This is the MCO #1 Black Plum and Vanilla body wash. I can't smell it, but I think I like it, so I'll keep her. I've got this Way body wash. This is in St. Bart's. It's got a thing on it, but I'll keep her. Keep the Shea one. I've got two Glasshouse ones. I have Midnight in Milan and Sunsets in Capri, so both of those can stay. And then I have two of the shower oils from L'Occitane. So both of them can stay as well. So those are all of the shower gels for the time being. I absolutely love shower gel. So, anyway, what is it done? Okay, coming along to this. These are like, I've got shower mousses. This is where I keep like my whipped soaps and like shower jellies, and these are also the shower mousses from Hideaway. So all of these are good to stay. I don't actually have any whipped soaps at the moment, any new ones. Oh, that smells so good. So yeah, all of these are pretty right for the time being. Cool. So yeah, I've just got a couple of shower jellies, and then these are shower mousses from Hideaway. So that's good. Okay, bath stuff. So I've got this big bubble bath from P. Louise. Cute. I've also got Fun from Lush. Yeah, so good. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I don't use the Fun that much in the bath, so maybe I need to actually transfer this to somewhere else. Anyway, I've also got, so I've got 2 bubble baths from P. Louise, and I've also got the Bath Caviar from P. Louise. Yeah, maybe I need to put the Fun elsewhere. Maybe I'll put it in with like shower jellies and stuff so that I can start using them. Okay, I'm actually going to put my Funs in like the to be used drawer, like ASAP, so that I can start like, so that I remember to use them in the shower kind of thing. And then I'll put my bath stuff back in here. I haven't included bath bombs or anything in this video because one, it's just a little bit messy to bring them in here, but also I think like I'm pretty good for them at the time being, like we're kind of Gucci. So next we have moisturizer, and this is a bit of a, what do you call it, a bit of like a problem, I guess. Anyway, so these are all of the ones I have at the moment. I'll pick them out. So these are my Bath & Body Works ones. They're fine. I've got these finishing touches from P. Louise, the all over body glows. I've got one in Oh Honey and one in Butterfly Heart. I need to start using them, honestly. I think I'm going to move both of these to my like to be used drawer thingy, you know. Anyway, that's a body oil from Hideaway. I don't love this. It's just not my favourite, the Karma Cream, I don't think. Celebrate body lotion. That's nice. Once Upon a Time is one of my faves. So good. Oh, so good. So like Christmassy as well. I've got 2 Once Upon a Times. Girl, why do I have 2? I don't know why I've got 2 of them. I shouldn't have kept 2, but anyway. I've got Sunsets in Capri and Midnight in Milan body lotions from Glass House. I've also got a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Oh, so good. And then I've got this thing from Kiehl's, which I don't know what it is. I think I'm going to get rid of Karma. I just can't imagine myself reaching for it. It is also out of date, but... Okay. On to the new stuff that I've got. So, I have a couple of these Brazilian Bum Bum creams. I think I'll definitely pass along this small one because I don't need the small one. I don't need 3 of them. But I know that I'm going to go through the small one really quickly. I think I've already used up a couple of these. So I know that I'm going to like go through the small one that I've already got quite quickly. So I do want to keep the bigger one. I know I have so many moisturizers, but so that can go into a giveaway. I've also got the little body oil, the Famiza oil. I don't know how it works, but anyway. Okay. I have, oh, that's a body wash. That's Vanilla Delight body wash. It's really not my fave, but I feel like I can't pass it along now because it's like capped off it. Anyway, check it out. Okay. You know what though? I haven't opened this one, so I think I will pass. Oh, have I? No, I haven't. So I'm going to pass this along. This is the Hideaway Vanilla Delight Body Custard because it just wasn't like what I expected it to smell like. Okay, I've got a Blueberry Abundant Cake, which I'll keep. That's from Bath & Body Works. I'll also keep the Into the Stars. That's also a body wash, girl. This is the Happy Birthday Moisture Cream. I think it's, yeah, it's vanilla buttercream, so that can stay. I've got these 3 body custards from Hideaway, and I think I like all of them. As far as I can remember anyway, so they can all stay. This is the new Sol de Janeiro cream, so keep her. Then I've got a small one of this little MCO Beauty cream, and I've got a big one, so I think I'll put the big one into a giveaway and keep the small one. This is a hand cream, but I'm honestly kind of thinking of using it as like a body lotion. It smells real good. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep her as like a body lotion. So those are moisturisers. As you can see, I've probably got too many, but okay, I know I've got too many, but still. This is why I really need to go on a no-buy, because I just genuinely do not need anything else. And I feel like it's so hard sometimes because I have so much stuff in here. Like, you know, like I'm set for honestly probably a couple of years. Like realistically, I could stress this out over a couple of years. But I feel like it's so easy to get sucked into like always buying new stuff, you know? These are from Mayleys. I have the firming belly cream and I've also got the inner thigh firming cream. So I guess I'll pop those in with like moisturisers and stuff. These are fragrances, we'll do them soon. Let's go body scrubs now. I won't be getting rid of any of my body scrubs. I absolutely love body scrub and it's something that I go through so quickly. So yeah, I love body scrub. I've got a couple from Frank in here. I've got some MCO Beauty ones. This was a favourite. This is the Soap and Glory breakfast scrub. I've got a Mayleys booty scrub, but I'm guessing you can use them all over your body. Don't know. Got a P. Louise one, which I actually want to try that out soon. I've got a Hideaway one, I've got a Lash one, and then the two new ones that I'm adding, I've got one from Rituals and I've also got one from Osea, I think it is, Osea. So I've got this little Briogeo pack. This comes with the Don't Despair Repair Deep Treatment Mask. I've also got a leave-in moisturiser, and I've got a shampoo as well in here. I feel like I should take these out because the box is like taking up a lot of space. Got the whipped cream leave-in foam from Milkshake. I've got the new, well, it's new to me, the Gizu hair oil detoxifying detox shampoo from Way, anti-frizz cream from Way, hair oil from Way, Lush Super Milk, leave-in conditioner from Way, and then the incredible oil from Milkshake. So all of those are staying, and I've got some new things to add in here. My hair stuff is a bit the same, like I feel like, you know, I use up the masks and things like that, so I feel like honestly my hair could probably go, like, would benefit from a bigger drawer, if I'm being honest. I've got this, where I normally put my new stuff. I wonder if I should put it in there, because there's like a fair bit of it. Maybe we should do that. I feel like shampoos and conditioners are typically quite large as well, so. Alright, new stuff. Okay, this is the She Glam Hot Streak Thermal Defense Glow Oil Elixir, which I'm very excited to try out. So, keep her. I have the Fable and Mane Soothing Serum for your scalp, which I just feel like, I don't know, that sounds very interesting to me. So I'm going to give that a go. This is the Ceramona Guava Rescue Spray. It says UV and heat protectant and detangler. Keep her. Got the Briogeo Farewell Frizz. I think it's an oil. Okay, I have two of these Colour Wow Dream Coats. The Supernatural Spray. And I wanted to keep both of them, but I'm kind of feeling like I shouldn't, because, oh, they're quite small though. Yeah, I'm going to keep both of them. I've got the Amica Soul Food Nourishing Mask, the Philip Kingsley Deep Conditioning Treatment. I've got the little Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, cute. The JVN Nourishing Shine Drops. I've got a scalp scrub from Way and the fine to medium hair mask from Way. So both of those. The Colour Wow Money Mist. Oh, I already said about that. And then this is the MCO like little hair thingy. So that's all hair stuff. These are just things that I've got the little Cult Beauty cuffs, so I'll put them in my thing, and then little hair, like, what are they called? Elegant. You know, scrunchies. These fragrance things, things. I think I'll keep both of them. I think I've got a big one of this, the Emco thing, so maybe I'll put the small one away, but I want to keep the little roll-on. So yeah, that can go with my fragrances. Okay, and also I completely forgot about this before. This is stuff I want to use up by the end of the year. Not use up, like, you know, use by the end of the year. Okay, so I'll just get it all out. Okay, we've got the Colourpop and Powerpuff Girls little lip rollerball, which I'll keep. P. Louise Blueberry lip conditioner, which I'll keep, and the little lip balm in lime, which I'll keep all of those. I'll also keep the P. Louise No Bad Days facial sleeping mask. And the Revolution Pro Miracle Eye Cream I'll keep. This is the Medicate Liquid Hydration Serum. Keep. I think I'm going to pass along this Morphe 2 thing. I don't need it. I'll keep the Dermalogica Foaming Wash. I love this. I've also got a smaller one of this. But anyway, I do really like this stuff. Belief Aqua Bomb. Keep. This is a lip oil from Colourpop. Yeah, I feel like it's quite old now. It's got those little things in it, so I think I'll get rid of that. This scares me a bit. This is the Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal Skin Clarifying Night Pill, but it sounds scary. What is a night pill? I feel like I'm going to pass it along because it scares me, to be honest. And then these things from Pixie I think I'll keep as well. I have the Collagen Tonic and another Glow Tonic, and also the Collagen Lip Gloss. So that's everything. The last thing I want to do before I go is I want to re-go through the stuff that I want to try out, and I want to sort it into categories, or not like I just want to separate it from like skin to body care, so that like it's easier when I'm looking for stuff to try, like to reach for, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Now I'm going to put like everything that can be used like in the shower, I'm going to put in here. And then everything that gets used after the shower, put in this one. Okay guys, we are, sorry my camera cut out. So yeah, we are done now. I'm glad that I was able to like get some new products to put in the giveaways, which is nice because yeah, I'm just really, I mean, I know that I still have an excessive amount, like don't get me wrong, but I'm just trying to be a little bit more thoughtful going in, like, you know, in the future. So I feel a little bit better about this. I really want to focus, you know, the next couple of months on using what I have rather than purchasing new things. I might even bring in a system like if I want to buy something I need to use up like 2 products or something like that, you know what I mean? Like I know that that's not the best system, but you know, just something to kind of keep myself accountable, I guess. I really want to be like downsizing going into the future. I love buying stuff like it is like bad because I feel like it is fun and it's nice and it gives you that rush, but then you know, that overwhelming feeling of like dread when you look at how much stuff you have. It's just like so anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.